Hey guys, it's Wednesday. Today I can feel some pulsating. I want to say pain or like really bad soreness right here. So I got home maybe about 30 minutes ago, an hour ago, and I took some arnica, 3 of them. Instruction says three times a day. They're still fighting over the balls. That one ball. I said balls, but there's only one.
They ain't got no balls.
Haru, you got no balls? Even though he's got no balls, he's got a lot of balls. He picks a fight on anybody. Even Bailey. Don't call him stupid. Oh, what was that, Yuji?
Blah.
What was that?
That was a super burp.
Super burp! So we're having Italian for dinner. We'll show you our food later. I'm having chamomile tea. This is the brand I have here, Bigelow. And Randy, what you got?
Manhattan.
So we got our bread.
See?
And then salad.
Summertime now, so
Let's eat it.
Huh?
Let's eat it.
Okay. What we got?
It's a eggplant, like Parmigiana type thing.
For appetizer.
It's like a, just eggplant, Parmesan cheese, and tomato sauce. I've made this at home, except with panko. It's been a while since I made that. We should make that again.
Babe, what are you having?
Chicken marsala.
Polenta and some
Yeah, just
veggies.
a polenta and veggies.
I already started eating mine, and Randy was like, Camera! This is like in Italian. I forgot what it's called already. But it's really yummy. My second time having it. I ordered tiramisu to go, but while we were waiting for the check, I started eating it. It's so good.
So she wants to tell you a story?
Yeah. Babe! The story. I'm spitting on myself. So we were walking out the restaurant, and then there's a fountain up front, and I told Randy it looks pretty, it sounds relaxing, and he said,
What'd I say? That it sounds like a bathroom?
it sounds like someone's taking a leak.
Oh yeah, that's what I said at first. And then I had to compare it. But it sounds like somebody taking a leak. She said it's relaxing. I said it sounds like somebody's taking a leak. So it's not relaxing.
We're home. When we got home, Roomba's vacuuming it. I washed the brown pillow that's in here, and then we put it in there. It was super hard to put in there, and now it's hard, Randy said, because it used to be really soft and fluffy, but now because we smushed it in this tiny thing, it's not soft anymore, but it's cute.
So it's about noon. I'm getting pretty hungry. I woke up about the same time Francesca left for work. Today is my day off. So right now I'm just making some sausages that I'll have with rice. And that'll be my lunch. Alright, so Francesca's coming home late. I guess it's already 6:20, and she called me and asked me if I could make dinner. So she was gonna make some sweet and sour meatballs. I don't want to do that. I made, it's like a hamburger steak. I found the recipe on All Recipes. So far it tastes good when I'm tasting it as I cook it. So we'll see how it tastes when it's all done. It's really easy to cook too. It doesn't require many ingredients. Pretty much the only thing you need is the ground beef and onions. And the rest is mostly stuff that you'll have sitting around at the house. Like just spices, and the only thing I had to improvise was kind of like it calls for a beef broth, but I just used the beef bouillon cubes and made kind of like my own broth using that. It says on the side of the package that you can do that. And there's the finished product. just in time for Francesca to come home. She just opened the garage. The dogs are sitting there waiting for her.
Hi.
There she is.
It's 6:30.
Mm.
I'm so hungry. You're making me.
Like I said to the YouTubers, dinner's ready.
What is that? It looks good.
It's like a hamburger steak.
Hamburger steak!
I think it's like an American version or something. So, let's go eat.
Cool. Want to update you guys about my tooth. It's sore today. I took 3 arnica when I woke up this morning. Alright, make them say goodnight.
Haru, say goodnight. Good boy. Yuji, we say goodnight?
Oh, and I want to
Good
add.
boy.
I want to add that the hamburger steak that Randy made was so yummy. I was so happy. And then I had the tiramisu from yesterday for dessert. So, yeah. Even though I worked like really hard today and really long, I got home and I got food. Okay, good night, guys. You should say good night too, babe.
Good night too, babe.
That's gay! Hey guys, just got home from work. It's only like 2 o'clock. Got off early because we weren't actually at work today. We were doing like a continuing education with my coworker somewhere else. Just rinsed my mouth because we had lunch. I rinsed it with my usual salt water, and I guess I swished too hard because I started tasting blood, so I'm all creeped out. I hope I didn't kill my blood clot and I'm gonna get dry socket or something. I was very gentle, and then I kind of swished harder because I wanted to make sure I get all the food out in the hole, but I guess that's a little too much. Anyway, I curled my hair this morning because I don't know, I wanted to look a little bit nicer. I go to work every day looking like crap. I just put my hair up and all, so I decided to make it a little bit different today since we weren't actually at work. Anyway, here are the doggies. Hey doggies! You guys scratching at the same time. You're gonna fall off the bed, Haru. You know it. You know it. I'm pretty creeped out because of the blood. Today's Friday. I don't think I mentioned that before. So happy Friday, guys. I think I showed you guys that Roomba was vacuuming on Wednesday or something like that. And that was Wednesday. It's Friday. Look at this. Look at all that. This is why it's good to have Roomba, because I'm not gonna vacuum like that often, you know what I mean? But I want to keep a cleaner house. So I'll start Roomba right now, and I'll show you guys the afterwards. But yeah, there's all kinds of stuff all over the floor, mostly leaves. I mean, look at those. Look at that. Yuji takes them all in with his hair. I don't know why this tree just keeps doing that. I don't remember that from last year. All I remember was the bugs. So far, there's bugs, but not the way that it was last year. At least not yet. Anyway, there are gardeners up front who's mowing the lawn. So that's what the noises you're hearing. It's part of like the homeowners association thing. They just hire gardeners that fix both the front and the back. Let's do a quick unboxing of our Grains box. I got it a couple days ago, but haven't had a chance to open it, so I'll share it with you guys. I already removed the little wrapper. Let's see what we have this month. So this just talks about like calories, what's in the box, nutrition facts pretty much. What's this one? So we have Garden of England, which has mini strawberries, soft apple pieces, and black currant. Next, walnut date pumpkin seeds. Next, protein cashew, chili lime cashew, spicy chickpeas, and garlic sesame sticks. Sour cream and garlic crostini. Sour cream and onion cashew with garlic crostini. That sounds good. We got barbecue peas, salsa peanuts, and wild rice sticks. We got blueberry yogurt raisin, raspberry cranberries, and blackcurrant. That one's cool. It's got chocolate dip right there, pretzel. Lightly salted pretzel sticks with a cocoa and hazelnut dip. The last one. This one's got peach fruit drops, almonds, yogurt seeds, and amaretti drops. Yuji, were you a bad boy today? Were you a bad boy? I took a nap. And the vacuum's still on. It's been like 2 hours. When is this gonna be over? They're gonna run out of battery. But it is staying down here, guys. It's much darker now, but it's much better. I am impressed as always. I mean, it's still dirty because it needs to be mopped. I don't know if I should do that this weekend. It's all wet out there. They're just gonna come in and dirty it right away. But yeah, it's clean even when around all these table chairs. Why did I have to say table chairs? It's just chairs. I do feel a little grumpy after I wake up. It'll take me maybe an hour or so, it just depends, to wake up a little more before I'm not like grumpy. I cleaned out the countertops earlier after work. I wiped all the counter and the stove. Oh crap, no, I didn't wipe the stove. I wiped everything but the stove. Just this part though. I wiped that part. I was gonna save it for last, because usually it's the dirtiest. Vacuum is still on. It's like 7:39. Oh, it just finished. Crazy. It heard me tell you that it's taking forever to clean. Look at the Haru. He's so cute.
Are you cute, Haru? We just got finished watching The Huntsman. Did you like it? Or Snow White and the Huntsman?
Yeah. Did you?
It was alright. He peed in the kitchen while we were watching the movie. No reason for it. Door was open so he could go out by himself. He apparently just didn't want to go out by himself. So now he's out there by himself. He's a bad boy.
So when Yuji knows we're pissed off at him and we bring him out to show him where to potty, he gets scared to come back in. So he doesn't. So after a while, we gotta go get him. Though I don't see him anymore. Wonder if there's Yuji. He came. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be scared. Okay. Brandy's outside fixing the sprinkler. I guess the sprinkler broke on the front area. So yeah, I think it's the gardeners. Didn't tell you guys when I was pulling in, they were like right by the garage. And so I was kind of looking at them, and if they kind of give me an eye contact, I'll wave at them and say hi. But They did not. They look pissed off. They look scary. At least one of them. I didn't even see the other one because the other guy caught my attention. He's just like, I don't know if it's just his normal face or it looks really pissed off, but he's scary looking. So I just went in and shut the garage. But yeah, I guess they're not careful because the sprinkler broke, and I forgot if I already told you or not, but very recently the owner of the house came to fix another sprinkler kind of on the side of the house because it wasn't working. No idea why. Well, anyway, pretty late. I will just see you guys on tomorrow's vlogs. Good night.